Hi, so this is the Sony WH-1000XM4. It just came out less than a week ago. It's the successor to the XM3 model, which was released probably around 2 years ago. A few cosmetic changes generally, but other than that, I'm being told that the noise cancellation has actually improved quite a bit, and that the headset now can pair up to two devices, which frankly speaking is long overdue. They've got this new 360 real audio on it. At the back of this box there's a few details over here. So there is a carrying case, there is some cables to actually connect the headphone to, say, a laptop. There is an airline adapter, and it's got Type-C connectivity, which is awesome, and 30 hours of battery life. Now in terms of some of the other connectivity, it's got the NFC connectivity, it's got LDAC and DSEE. It's removed aptX for this particular model, which I hope isn't too much of a deal breaker. So let's kind of unbox this. What we should be now seeing is getting this headphone out. Actually, the box feels really nice to touch. It's got this like velvety feel in there. Apologies for the mess. So there we go. Easy setup configuration, it says. Download the app and then power on the headphones and then connect it to the actual app. Now, oh wow, the case looks so good. It really is a really nice case, and then there are some documents inside. 360 real audio, music service, free trial. Okay, so let's sort of get into that to see how it goes. And then this is the box, right? So the box by itself, very sort of familiar, but a very nice feel, a much better feel compared to my old Bose QC35s, but very similar size, I can tell. I'm hoping this is a much better upgrade to some of my other headsets. So I've got the Bowers & Wilkins. The Bluetooth on this died pretty much after I bought it, but I've been using it as a cable. And of course I've got another Bluetooth headset here, which is the Beyerdynamic Vinto Wireless, and this has been really good. I like the design of this and the sound, but obviously it doesn't have noise cancellation, which is what the Bose does really well. And now we're being told that the Sony ones as well are supposed to be really good. So let's open this up, and there we go. So that's what the headset looks like from the inside. We've got the cables, so let's take the headset out. It's got a really nice plush feel, I must say. The feel of these pads over here is just so soft to the touch. I think this has been a remarkable improvement over what the previous model is. Sony says that the headset band at the top has also been refined, and that the cup should give a much better feel. So we will pair this up very soon and then see what the sound quality looks like. So we're sort of just transferring some software now. I just went through a process of them scanning my left ear and my right ear. So my title has now been optimized for 360-degree sound. Just waiting for this latest headphone software to actually get downloaded. Hopefully that should complete in a moment or so. Yeah, so in the meantime, what I noticed was that this is really soft, and these are solid. You can see the clicking, feels good. This is also really comfortable. They have a custom button now. I assume this is what you can use to trigger Alexa or Google Assistant. USB-C, and obviously on the side There is the NFC on the left, and I believe on the right hand side is where all the controls happen to slide between songs and to raise and decrease the volumes. Yeah, so let's see how it sort of goes. Now within the headset, right over there at this point here, you can see that there is a sensor. Now this sensor apparently I think is what is used to determine if the headset is being worn, and when you are wearing it, the music plays, and when you sort of take your headset off, the music stops. And I think somewhere along the line there's also the sensor within the mic, where once you start talking, the music then pauses so you can listen to what the other person is actually saying. So interesting stuff. I think I've never owned the previous model, but I've always been eyeing this, and I've sort of been waiting off to buying the XM3. I sort of figured that I might just wait for this one to actually come in. I have quite a few headphones, but it's been years, like really over 20 years since I bought actually a Sony headphone. I have bought their in-ear buds. I have used quite a few different in-ear buds. At the moment I am rocking the Sennheiser Momentum 2s, Momentum 1s I think, wireless ones. I've also got the AirPod Pro and the mini Sony buds as well, which are these. So this is a good complement. Too many ones to choose from, so hopefully this works out to be a good investment and keeps me occupied, because since we are all working from home these days and there's a lot of noise all over the house as we're sharing our work environment. So yeah, let me see whether, oh, it's still 64%. It is taking a bit of time to sort of get that software update done. I'm looking forward to trying it out. So just kind of going through the app while it sort of loads up. Yeah, so you've got the sound functions where you can look at the ambient sound control, and get different levels of noise cancelling. Speak to chat, this is what I was talking about. And now it's sort of optimized. Atmospheric pressure, as well, equalizer, 360-degree audio setup. Quite a bit. The SW Extreme off. I'll have to try all that out to see how that actually flows. And going to the system, you can connect it to two devices simultaneously. That's interesting. I want to understand how that actually works. Yeah, so you can see balls as well, headphone taken off. So yeah, it's 96% now. Version 2.06. Well, let's see how this actually plays out. Yeah. Okay, so what was happening earlier on? It was just downloading the software. Now it's actually updating it into the actual device, into the headphones rather. So yeah, it's moving along nicely. So let's wait it out